Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This afternoon, we are going to discuss about taxes. According to the book, the basic principle of income taxes is to maximize the amount to keep from your income by minimizing the amount of taxes to be paid. However, that's not for Filipinos because our tax is very simplified. Now, according to the book, typical American family pays more than 30% of its gross income to taxes. Sa mga Amerikano yun. Nagbabayad sila ng 30%. Whereas kung sa Pilipinas, majority of Filipinos are not earning 250,000 per year. So therefore, hindi applicable sa mga Pinoy. Although sabi ng PSA, as of 2015, yung average income daw ng Pilipino is 267,000. Pero syempre, yung mga mabababang income, nahihila ng mga matataas ang income. And then, we do have three kinds of income kasi ang tax galing sa income. Kung walang income, wala tayong computing tax. So what are these kinds of income? We have the active, portfolio, and passive. So ano yung active? Galing sa salaries and wages, bonuses, tips, pension, and alimony. Portfolio, galing sa interest, dividends, kung nag-invest ka, capital gains, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, options, and futures. And for passive, galing sa bank deposits, prices and winning, pag nanalo sa loto, real estate, pag nagbibenta ng mga ari-arian, lupa, bahay, limited partnership, kapag nag-invest ka ng pera mo sa isang negosyo na wherein ang nature is partnership, and then tax shelters. Now, sa Pilipinas, as I mentioned earlier, simple lang ang tax because we do have here under the train law, the income tax table. So ito yung pinagbabasihan, especially pag tayo ay nagtatrabaho. O pwede rin nag-negosyo, no? Okay. Now, ang basihan dito is that it is based on gross income of the taxpayer. Okay. According to tax table by PinoyMoneyTalk.com, yung mga nag-i-income ng 250,000 and below, walang binabayaran na tax. No? So, sino-sino yon? So, for example, sumusweldo ka ng 15,000 a month times 12, 180,000 lang ang kita mo sa isang taon. So, therefore, ang income mo is below 250,000. So, sabi, wala kang babayarang tax. Pero kung ang income mo ay 23,000 per month times 12, ang income mo is 276,000 sa isang taon. So therefore, dito ka na-fall sa pangalawang row. No? 250,000 to 400,000. So provide ka na 15% of excess over 250,000. So ibabawas mo yung 276,000 minus 250,000, and the difference with that will be subjected to 15%. Now, kung ang income mo naman ay 75,000 pesos times 12, so ang yearly income mo is 900,000 pesos. So saan ka mo fall? Dito ito na fall sa 1, 2, 3, 4, pang-apat na row. No? 800,000 up to 2 million, wherein the tax is 2,500 plus 25 in excess of 800,000. So that will be 900,000. 900,000 minus 100,000, and 900,000 minus 800,000 is 100,000 times 0.25. So, 25,000. So, i-add mo pa yan sa 102,000. So, 127,500 ang tax na binabayaran mo every month. So, pagka ang sweldo mo ay 75,000. Okay? So, let's have sample computation of taxes. Say, for example, here, sample computation A, an employee earning 15,000 per month will pay how much tax to the government? So, to compute the yearly salary, 15,000 times 12, 180,000. And since 180,000 is below 250,000 of your first row of the tax table, then this employee is not paying tax. You know, 15,000 na ang sweldo, hindi pa nababayad ng tax sa Pilipinas. Whereas kung sa Amerika yan, ibang computation table nila. No? Now, sample computation B. An employee earning 30,000 per month, magkano babayaran niya ng tax sa government? So that will be annual income. 30,000 times 12 is 360,000. Then, of course, obvious, mas malaki yan sa 250. Then, ibabawas natin yan sa, it falls pala sa row 2, 250,000 to 400. Kasi ang income niya 360. Hindi naman lumampas ng 400,000, so doon siya na row. So, kaya nga, 360,000 minus 250,000 is 110,000. And then, we will subject that to 15%. So, ang tax niyan is 16,500. For sample computation C, mali lang ang pagka-label niya, C yan, no? So, an employee earning 40,000 per month will pay how much to the government? So, we have annual income will be 40,000 times 12, 480,000. Sana yan na column. Sobra na yan sa second row kasi nandito na nagpo-fall yan sa above 400 to 800,000 kasi 480,000. So, ang gagawin dyan, isosubtract yung 480,000 sa 40,000. So, ang difference niyan is 80,000. So, i-multiply natin yan sa 20% kasi yun ang nakalagay sa tax table. Plus, you will add 22,500. So, if an employee earns 40,000 per month, ang tax na ibibigay niya o babayad niya sa gobyerno ay 38,500. Medyo malaki din na. Okay. So, let's proceed to the next slide. Paano nga ba tayo mag-prepare ng ating taxes? Who will file the income or the ITR? No? Okay. Income tax return. So, who are they? They are Filipino citizens living in the Philippines, receiving income from sources within or outside the Philippines. O sino yung outside the Philippines? Yung dapat nga yung mga programmers din magbabayad din sila ng tax kasi yung mga programmers, ang kanilang mga client are galing sa ibang bansa. Pero hindi yun nare-reconcile. Paano kaya yun nare-reconcile? Okay? Then, nagkakaroon ka ng isa or maraming employer. So, lahat yun ng mga income na yun must be subjected to tax. So, i-calculate lahat yun and then the gross will be subjected to the tax table. No? Ito, self-employed. Yung mga entrepreneurs. Yung mga doktor na nagpa-practice ng kanilang profession. Doktor, mga accountant, lawyer, they are considered as self-employed. Then, deriving mixed income. Ano yun? Nagtatrabaho ka, tapos meron kang business. Na? Meron kang other source of income from other than employment. Next, someone who derives income from that is non-business, non-professional related income. Non-business, so hindi na yung negosyo, pero hindi naman professional, wala ka opisina, pwede yung mga self-tutors, no? Mga tutor ka ng napupunta sa mga bahay-bahay. Dapat pala, ita-tax pa rin yun, no? The next is married, employed by a single employer o mag-asawa, pero isa lang ang kanilang employer. So, ang income tax nila, isa-isa yon, iba-iba yun. No? Diba? Pero, that will, as a whole siya, compute. No? Hindi yung pa-isa-isa. Kasi kung ang income nila ng mag-asawa ay below 250, kung individual ang computation noon, may exempt sila. Whereas kung lump yung income nilang dalawa as one in a single employer, matatax na silang dalawa. Kasi there are tendencies na mag-exceed yun ng 250,000. Then, marginal income earner, and when someone whose income tax during the past calendar was not withheld correctly, so nagkaroon ng error, yung tax declaration, tax computation in the previous year, either maliciously or unintentionally, na? So, kukolektahin pa rin yun ng government. Then, how to file taxes, no? So, yung mga employees and marginal income earners, mag-fill up tayo ng form, 3 copies, BIR form 1,700 with the following attachments. Now, certificate of income tax withheld, yung form 2316, waiver of spouse right to claim additional exemption, then duly tax debit memo, and proof of foreign tax credits. Just in case yung income natin ay galing sa ibang bansa. Now, for individuals who are self-employed or derive mixed income. So, dalawa income mo. No? Meron ka pang trabaho, yung na-mention kanina sa who is required to file tax. So, dalawa ang ano. So, 3 copies of 1701. And of course, kailangan mo yung 2316, no? Yung income tax withheld, and certificate of income payments not subject to withholding tax. Yung mga below 250,000 or some technical aspects about why an income cannot be taxed. Yung BIR form 2304. Of course, all those taxes who are required and filing up from Taxonomy 2020. So, our next slides will be our first activity number 6. Okay? So, be very careful with the activity labeling from now on because that's critical. Nahihilo ako sa pagbasa sa inyong mga submission kasi hindi ko alam kung para sa anong activity yun. No? Malap i-identify. So, ano natin na, continuous lang yung numbering ng inyong activity. So, this is activity number 6. Kung ito nagalagay dito, yun din ilalagay nyo sa inyong submission. Okay? Okay, we have here Miss Baler employed with Metro BDO Bank from January 2017 to December 2019 and earns an income of 21,510 as loan officer. However, as of January 1, 2020, na-promote siya na nagiging manager, tumaas din yung salary niya at 37,806 per month. Ang tanong, magkano ba ang ITR? Income tax return, annual income tax ni Ms. Baler before and after her promotion. Good afternoon, and that's all.